how to enable home button on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Home button, also known as Assistive Touch, helps you to make various features easy on iPhone. So I'll show you how to enable it. Let's dive right in. You will need to go to settings, then head over to accessibility, and then you'll need to scroll down, and under physical and motor you need to tap on touch. There you can see assistive touch. Assistive touch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. So you can just toggle it on and something like this will appear on your screen. Now if you tap on it, you can see various functions here. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.